everyone, my name is Teacher Shadia. I teach middle class East at Kigali Infants Academy. Today I'm going to be doing pick and read. A child picks a word and reads it to the audience. I'm together with my co-teacher. Let her tell you her names.
My name is Kitali. I'm teaching class 6 for Teacher Shadia. Thank you for watching this.
My name is Karen Jordan Kainamura. I am in middle class East. Today we are going to do pick and read.
Okay, today we are going to do pick and read. We are going to do what?
Pick and read.
We are going to do what?
Pick and read.
When I read your name, you go in front, you pick a word and read for us loudly. Yes? 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 Yes. Okay, we are going to start with Rukundo. Rukundo, go in front, you pick a word and read for us. Come, Karen. You show the class and after you read for us.
6.
Louder.
6.
Louder.
6.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Clap hands for Alison. Lovely, you are nice. You are nice. Everywhere. Super, sana. Good boy. You pick a word and read for us. Here, on the first ones. You show the class. First show the class. Have you seen the word? Yes. Okay, Maureen, read for us that word.
Fun.
Louder.
Fun.
Is she correct?
Yes.
Is she correct?
Yes.
The word is it? The word is it? The word is it? The word is it? Clap hands for Maureen loudly. Everywhere. Super, sana. Good girl, model for you. We are going on. Pick a word, you show the class and you read. Pick from these ones. You can pick anywhere you want. You first show the class what you are going to read. It is upside down. Turn the word properly. Like that. Show us.
Hat.
Is that the word hat?
Yes.
Is that word hat?
Yes.
Is that word hat?
Yes.
Clap hands for Rugero. Who wants to read next? Show the class. Have you seen the word?
Yes.
Have you seen the word?
Yes.
Everyone read for us the word.
In.
Is that word in?
Yes.
The word is it?
In.
The word is it?
In.
The word is it?
In.
Clap hands for Kevroni. Everywhere. Super, sana. Who wants to read next? A girl. Now a girl. Yes, why? Show the class the word.
Flower.
First show us the word.
Flower.
Is that word flower?
Yes.
Is that word flower?
Yes.
Is that word flower?
Yes.
Clap hands for Wayne. Lovely, you are nice. Everywhere. Super, sana. Good girl, good Wayne. Who wants to read next? A boy. I want a boy. Side you want, you show us and you read.
Rat.
Show us properly. Again, Azere, the word is it?
Rat.
Is that word rat?
Yes.
Is that word rat?
Yes.
Clap hands for Azere. Everywhere. Super, sana. Who wants to read next? A girl. I want a girl. Yes, you read. Show us. Put the word properly. We are not seeing it properly. Show the class the word. Have you seen the word?
Yes.
Okay, Treza, read for us the word. Treza, the word is it?
Book.
Is that word book?
Yes.
Is that word book?
Yes.
Clap hands for Treza. a role model for you. Good. Show us. Now read for us. Louder.
My.
Is that word my?
Yes.
Is that word my?
Yes.
Clap hands for noble. Everywhere. Super sana. Wow, good boy, noble. Who wants to read next? Adi, show the class and you read. Show us. Have you seen the word? Yes. Okay, Butera, read for us.
Table.
The word is it? The word is it? Clap hands for her. Lovely. You are nice. Everywhere. Super sana. Next is who? I want a boy. Mujisha is going to read for us. You face where? Okay, Mujisha, pick a word, you show us and you read it. Pick a word, Mujisha. Show the class your word.
Box.
Is that word box?
Yes.
Is that word box?
Yes.
Clap hands for him. Lovely. You are nice. Everywhere. Super sana. Next. A girl. Yes, Belinda. Show us. Show the class. Have you seen the word?
Yes.
The word is it?
Yes.
The word is it?
Yes.
Is that word girl?
Yes.
Is that word girl?
Yes.
Clap hands for Belinda. You are nice. Everywhere. Super sana. Good girl, Belinda. A boy now. A boy. Pick a word and read for us. Pick which is on top. You show the class properly. Have you seen his word?
Yes.
Now let's see, read for us. Turn the word, you read it.
Bed.
Is that word bed?
Yes.
Is that word bed?
Yes.
Clap hands for Norisi. Everywhere. Super sana. Good boy. Next. A girl. Yes. Show the class.
Banana.
Is that word banana?
Yes.
Is that word banana?
Yes.
Clap hands for widow. You are nice. Everywhere. Super sana. Show us the word. Show us. Show the class the word. Have you seen the word?
Yes.
Nova, read for us.
B.
Louder.
B.
Is that word B?
Yes.
Is that word B?
Yes.
Clap hands for Nova. Lovely. You are nice. Everywhere. Super sana. Good Nova. Show us that word.
Chair.
Is that word chair?
Yes.
Is that word chair?
Yes.
Clap hands for Orisoni. Okay, next is it. Show the class your word. Are you seeing the word?
Yes.
Show us properly the word. We are not seeing it properly. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Okay, Shara, read for us.
If.
Is that word if?
Yes.
Is that word if?
Yes.
Clap hands for Shara. Super sana. Next, Mazi. Pick a word, Mazi. Show the class. Sing his word.
Yes.
Man's the word is
Ball.
louder.
Ball.
Is that word boy?
Yes.
Clap hands for safari. Everywhere, everywhere. Super, super, super sana. Next, pick one word.
Yes.
Pick this. Show the class. Are you seeing Kalabo's word?
Yes.
Okay, Kalabo, read for us.
Me.
Is that word in me?
Yes.
Turn and we see Kalabo. Change the word you show us and we see. Is that word in me?
Yes.
Is that word in me?
Yes.
Clap hands for her. Everywhere, everywhere. Super, super, super sana. Next. Karen, pick that one on top. Don't change. Don't look for any other word. You show the class and you read. Are you saying Karen's word?
Yes.
Okay, Karen, read for us loudly.
Zip.
Is that word zip?
Yes.
Is that word zip?
Yes.
Clap hands for Karen. Everywhere, everywhere. Super, super, super sana. Good, Karen. Next. Dive. Dive, pick a word. Show the class. Show us properly. It is upside down. Like that. Show us up, up. Now you can read. Read. Read, Dive. Change the word, you look at it and read. Turn it and you read. Like this. Read that word. Car. The word is it? The word is it? The word is it? Clap hands for Dive. Love it, love you and I. You and I. Everywhere, everywhere. Super, super, super sana. Next. Show us that word. Have you seen the word?
Yes.
Have you seen the word?
Yes.
Okay, guys, read. She. Is that word she?
Yes.
Is that word she?
Yes.
Clap hands for Gaia. Say, love me, love you and I. Everywhere, everywhere. Super, super, super sana. I'm seeing those who are not clapping. I will not. Keep quiet and listen to Gaia. Have you seen the word?
Yes.
Have you seen the word?
Yes.
Okay, Gaia, read for us that word.
Yam.
Is that word yam?
Yes.
Is that word yam?
Yes.
Is that word yam?
Yes.
Clap hands for Gaia. Everywhere, everywhere. Super, super, super sana. Good girl, Gaia. Show the class your word. Have you seen Kabagambe's word?
Yes.
Have you seen the word?
Yes.
Okay, Kabagambe, read that word. Kabagambe, read for us. Wait.
Nail.
Louder.
Nail.
Is that word nail?
Yes.
Is that word nail?
Yes.
Clap hands for him. Everywhere, everywhere. Super, super, super sana. Show the class your word. Have you seen the word?
Yes.
Have you seen it?
Yes.
Karen, read for us.
Vest.
Louder. Louder.
Vest.
Louder.
Yes.
The word is it? The word is it? The word is it? Clap hands for Karen. Good, my Karen. Next, that's your word. Are you saying Mitchell's word?
Yes.
Are you saying it?
Yes.
Okay, Mitchell, read for us. The word is it?
Basket.
Louder, Mitchell, the word is it?
Basket.
Is that word basket? Yes. Clap hands for Mitchell. Super, super, Sanya. Good, Mitchell. Good boy. Next. And keep quiet. Yes, Dylan, pick a word. Show the class your word. Show us the word, Dylan. We are not seeing it like this. Yes. Show up like this. Are you seeing the word? Yes. Okay, Dylan, read for us.
Fish.
The word is it?
Fish.
The word is it?
Fish.
Clap hands for Dylan loudly. Everywhere, everywhere. Super, 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 Sana. Okay. Others keep quiet. Show the class. Are you seeing the word? Yes. Rugero, are you seeing the word?
Fire.
Yeah, the word is fire, not fish. Okay. Hands down. Leira. Keep quiet, Leira. Which word is this? Eh? The word is it? 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 It is all, not boy. Show us that word.
You.
The word is it? You. Good girl, Briella. Clap hands for her. Lovely, love. You are nice. You are nice. Everywhere. Super, Sana. The word is it? You. Thank you for watching UKWEZIKWAKA TV. Like, comment, and subscribe.